So 28 July, classwork number 19. Jitesh saying, sir, your screen is not visible. Jitesh, now check, is it visible? All of you, please check. Now is it visible? Beta, there are two names. One is from mobile, one is from laptop. Now let's see today's topic. 1 second. Let me open the book. 1 second. 4.3. Okay. We have done question 1 and 2 yesterday. Question 3 also we have seen. Let me take one more part of question number 3. So please discuss question 4.3, third last part. Okay. Before that, let me take D part also. I'm taking D part also of question number 3. We have to solve. So question is 4 plus 5 bracket P minus 1 is equal to 34. All of you, if you see, we want to solve. That means we want to make this P alone on the left hand side. Please tell me what is the first step. Which number you will transpose first, 5 or 4? Which number you will transpose first, 5 or 4? We will first take 5. No, beta, how can you take 5 to the right side? Okay, you can open it first if you want. Okay, those who are not able to see my screen can reconnect. Okay, do it fast. First, we will open the brackets as per the BODMAS rule. As per the BODMAS rule, first we solve the brackets. So we will get 4 plus 5 into P is 5P and 5 into 1 is minus 5 equal to 34. Yes, distributive property. Let me see the participants. Okay. I think I've added all. See again. Now, what I have done is I have opened this bracket 5P minus 1, which is very simple. 5 into P is 5P. Then we have minus sign. It will come 5 ones are 5. That is why I got this. Till this point, I think it is clear to everyone. Now we will solve these two. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 plus 5P equal to 34. Good morning, Mokshita. Now see, after this, we have to take this minus 1 to the right hand side. So transpose minus 1 to right hand side. And we all know in this side it is subtracting. It will add on the right hand side. So it becomes 5P is equal to 34 plus 1. Dilpreet, you want me to send you out of the class? Last warning. So it becomes 5P equal to 35. Now finally we will transpose 5 to the right side. Sir, how minus 1 came? Naman Raheja. Mr. Naman, 4 and minus 5. They are like terms. They can be solved. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Okay. Vivan, you cannot take 5 first. I have told you this thing before also. Okay. It will be P is equal to 35 upon 5 and answer is 5 sevens are 35. So answer is 7. Okay. The value of variable P is 7. Yes, beta. Correct, Nirvair. Others, is it okay? Please confirm. Yes, sir. Sir, question 4, please. Okay. You got the method now. Very good, Ryan. So my answer also came 7. Okay, Vivan, you can share the solution with me, okay, after the class. So please do A part, okay. Yes, you can do by inverse also. It is your choice. If you want to do by inverse, do by that also, no issue. Let us take E part now. All parts are same concept is used. E part is saying 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 bracket m minus 6. We have learned that we have to multiply, we have to open the bracket first by BODMAS rule. So 0 is equal to 16, 4 into m will give us 4m, minus sign is there, 4 6 are 24. Abhas, it is not confusing beta, just go step by step. We have opened the bracket using BODMAS rule. Now you can see this 16 and this 24 can be taken to the right side, or you can solve here also if you want to solve. Let them solve here only. Please tell me 16 minus 24. Please tell me what is the answer? 16 minus 24. 16 minus 24 is minus 8 plus 4m. Now, which number should we take to the left side first? Should we take minus 8 or 4? Please tell me. Which number should we take to the left side first? Minus 8 or 4? Please confirm, all of you. Very good. Those who are saying 4, beta, you are wrong. You cannot take 4 to the left side first, because I have told you earlier also, this 4 is very close to m. This 4 is very close to m. We cannot take this 4 first. We have to take this minus 8 first, because the bonding between this and this is less. This minus 8 will be taken. So transpose minus 8 to left hand side, it becomes 0 plus 8 is equal to 4m, which becomes 8 equal to 4m. Now we can take this 4 to the left hand side, take 4 to left hand side, here it is multiplying, there it will divide. So answer will be 8 upon 4 is equal to m. So answer is 2. Sir, do you remember that once you said we will, what second? Okay, Abhas saying. Abhas, I never said so. I always said that you can choose the method of inverse if you want. You can choose the method of transpose if you want. But if in the examination it is written do by this method, then it is compulsory by that method only. Okay. Sir, I've done like this. 4 plus 5p minus 5 will 34. Then, one second, 5p minus 5 equal to 30. Yes, but it is okay. It is okay. I don't know why I'm feeling happy by understanding the method, but everyone feels happy, nothing new. Okay, now see, and it is good also that you're feeling happy. Let's see one more part. This is like a magic. Okay. You can practice both. Yes, beta. Okay, let me show you this question by inverse also. Do you want to see this question by inverse also? Okay, let me solve by inverse also. E part. Question was 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. We all know, first thing is we have to simplify it. First thing we do is simplify the question. Simplify. What do we mean simplify? We have to open all the brackets, solve all the numbers which are given to us. So it becomes 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m is 4m minus 4 6 are 24. Further, we can see 16 and 24 are same numbers, like numbers, they can be solved. It is minus 8 plus 4m. This is the simplified question. Now tell me, what will we do now in inverse method? Please tell me, what will we do now? In inverse method, what shall we do? We will add 8 on both sides. Very good. Because we want to get rid of this minus 8, we will add plus 8 on both sides. It becomes 0 plus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 8 plus 4m. These two will cancel and we will get 8 equal to 4m. Now, what shall we do on both the sides? Please confirm. But a like numbers means which are like. Suppose if I say x and x, they are like terms. If I say 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, they are like fractions. If I say 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, they are unlike fractions. Like fractions are those fractions that can be added, subtracted very easily. Okay. Now we will divide 4 on both sides. On both sides, it becomes 8 upon 4 equal to 4m upon 4. This will cancel 1s are 4, 2s are. So answer is m equal to 2. I'm again telling you same question can be done by many ways. So please don't confuse with that. Same question can be done with many ways. How 16 and 24 are like? Because you can solve them. They both are integers. Can't you solve them easily, Lavya? Can't you add easily 16, 24? Yes, Lavya. So when you can easily add or subtract them, they are like terms. Okay. Now, let us take a part also. Someone was asking. A part is saying 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. Now see, again we have to first simplify the question. First we will simplify the question. Yes, beta Daksh, if you try 1 or 2 times, it is easy for you to understand. First simplify this. 4 is equal to 5 into p is 5p minus 5 2s are 10. Now, Sarvagya, you can do both the methods, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay. Now see, we have to get rid of minus 10. So why equal sign is positioned on left hand side? Beta, it is both side, na? It is telling you that left equal to right. Equal to side is for both of them. It is not for left side, it is for both of them. It is just telling us that these things are equal. Okay. Now see, we can take this minus 10 to the left hand side. So transpose minus 10 to left hand side. Here it was subtracting, there it will add, is equal to 5p. So we will get 14 equal to 5p, and finally we will divide both sides by 5. Sorry, we are doing transpose method, na? Transpose 5 to LHS, it becomes p is equal to 14 upon 5. This is the answer. Lavya, left side, right side, both are same. This equal to is saying that this right side is equal to left side. That's it. Why you are saying left side is for equal? Both are equal, beta. Yes, beta, you can divide also. No issue. Now see, question number 4. Yes, beta, that is also okay, Tushita. See, if I say 2 is equal to, suppose, x, or I say x equal to 2, they are same thing, because left equal to right, here also they are equal only. So you can write like this also. If question is 3 equal to x plus 5, you can write like x plus 5 equal to 3. They are same things. Okay. Sir, can we write 2.8? Yes beta, you can write, no issue. Now let's take the next part. Question number 4. Question is saying construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. So initially we have a equation x equal to 2. Okay, to make a different equation from this, we have to do same things on both the side. You can do any way. Suppose I take the first as a part, multiply both side by 3. Suppose I do this, multiply both side by 3, I will get 3 into x equal to 6. This is also an equation. If you solve this, you will get this back. So this way you can think of any way. Suppose B part I am doing, add 7 to both side. I will get second equation, that is x plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7. So the new equation is x plus 7 equal to 9. This is second equation, first equation. Yes Lavya, correct. So all of you please give me an example. Yes Betashmit, it is correct. If you are saying 4x equal to 8, it is also correct. If you are saying 5x equal to 10, it is also correct. If you are saying 11x plus 3, let me check this one. Sanvi is saying 11x plus 3 equal to 25. Let me check what she has done. She has first multiplied with 11. Sanvi has first multiplied with 11 both sides. It became this thing. Then she added 3 on both the sides. Very good Sanvi. Very good. You are correct. So this way you can form many equations. Maculin is saying 6x minus 4 equal to 8. 6x minus 4 equal to 8. Let me check, is it correct or not? So you have x equal to 2. Mervin has first multiplied with 6 both sides. It became 6x equal to 12. Then Mervin has done minus 4 both sides. It became 12 minus 4, that is 8. Very good Mervin, you are correct. Abhas saying m plus 7 equal to 12. Abhas, from where you got m? So this way you can form infinite number of equations. Avneet saying, please explain it again. But Avneet, you have done already. Let me show you again. 1 second. Very good, Kritika. You are going with a tough one. 1 second. I'm taking one more example. Suppose you have x equal to 5. Example, you have to construct 3 equations using this one. What you can do similar things on both the sides and you can form a equation. Suppose I multiply both sides by 11. It becomes 11x equal to 33. This is a new equation. Suppose I subtract both sides by 5. Subtract both sides by 5. So we will get 11x minus 5 is equal to 33 minus 5. Answer will be 28. So this way, whatever you are doing on one side, you have to do on the right also. Very good Lavya, you are correct. Maculin saying 8x plus 3 equal to 19. 8x plus 3 equal to 19. Let us check. Maculin has first multiplied with 3. Maculin, but now you are wrong. Maculin, now you are wrong. Let me tell you how. See what you have done. You have multiplied both sides with 8. So multiplied 8 both sides. You got 8x equal to 24. Now you have done plus 3 on both the sides. So add 3 both sides. You will get 8x plus 3 is equal to 24 plus 3. So answer is 27. Okay. Rishi is asking 12x minus 3 equal to 22. Is it correct? Let me check. 12 is 36. No, not correct, beta. Let me tell you how. You have done this thing. One second. So class, forming new equation very easy. Whatever you do on one side, do the same thing on right side, and you have got a new equation from the previous one. One second. Naman saying see mine also. Naman, beta, I cannot see for all because there are so many students. Okay, Naman, you have done a new question, huh? 5 plus 40. Beta, 5 4 20. Naman, it is not 40. 5 4 20. Please check the table that you have used. Now see. Okay. 12x minus 3. First you have multiplied with 12 both the sides. So first you have multiplied 12 both sides. We will get 12x equal to 12 into 3, that is 12x equal to 36. Now you have done minus 3 both sides. So subtract 3 from both sides. You will get 12x minus 3 is equal to 36 minus 3, that is 12x minus 3 equal to 33. This is the correct one. This is the wrong one. Whatever you do on one side, do the same thing on right side. Daksh Bharadwaj saying, I cannot understand how to form a equation. One second. Again, I'm telling you. Daksh, see, we have to do the B part. It is saying construct 3 equations starting with x equal to minus 2. Okay, I have told you this is also equation. Also a equation. We have to form 3 equations using this base. On this, you can do some changes. On this, you can do some changes, but those changes should be equal on both the sides. Suppose you do addition. Suppose add, you can say add 5 on both sides. It becomes x plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 5. You have got x plus 5 is equal to 3. So Daksh, this is the second equation that you have formed using the first equation. Similarly, you can form another also, like multiply both sides by 7. What will you get? 7 into x is equal to 7 into minus 2. You will get 7x equal to minus 14. Daksh, please confirm. Are you able to understand now? Yes, beta Moksha, you are correct. Daksh, please confirm. Daksh, please confirm. Yes, beta, others are forming very good equations. They are using both multiplication and addition. So you can use either multiplication, either addition, or you can use both also. If you want to form a beautiful equation, you can use both also. Suppose I do like this. First I do multiplication, multiply both sides by 8. I will get 8x equal to minus 16. Then I am doing add 9 on both sides. I will get 8x plus 9 is equal to minus 16 plus 9, that is minus 7. This is the equation. What is the method name? Mervin, it is simply constructing equations. Ryan is asking 7x plus 5 equal to 19. 7x plus 5 equal to 19. Is it correct or not? All of you, please confirm. Ryan, is this equation correct for this one? Please confirm, all of you. Ryan is saying 7x plus 15. Is it correct? Because I am finding something fishy in this. Please check, is the equation given by Ryan is correct or not? No, very good. What is the mistake he has done? Rayan, you have done one mistake in this question. Please check again. I'm solving over here again. First, you have multiplied with 7. First, you have multiplied both sides with 7. So you get 7x equal to minus 14. That's it. After that, you have added 5 on both the sides. Add 5 on both sides. You have got 7x plus 5 equal to minus 14 plus 5. And the answer is minus 9. Okay, Daksh? Sorry, Rayan, you got this? Your mistake? Sir, can you explain how to solve x equal to minus 2? But Avneet, x equal to minus 2 is already solved. This is already solved because variable is alone. Rishi is asking 8x plus 5 equal to 21. Is it correct? No, beta, you are all not considering the negative sign. Please see the negative sign also. Okay. I hope everything is going fine till now. Okay. We will start the next topic tomorrow. Till then, you can switch on your videos. One second. Before that, let me make myself host and stop the recording also.